Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this one is Dua Lipa's song called We're Good, and it's a great song with a great swing into it, I think. And especially the music video. If you haven't watched it yet, do it. It's a fun music video with a lobster there, and you can really get into the mind of this lobster. So yeah, whatever. Let's delve into the song. So, first of all, we have this capo set on the 4th fret to get the right sound. And the song consists of 5 chords, and it's pretty basic. It's the E minor chord, the A chord, D chord, and a D7. This one I can explain for you. You have it on with the index finger here on the 1st fret, B string, with your middle finger on the 2nd fret, G string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret, E string. So, similar to a standard D. This one is D7, and the last chord is the G chord, like this. The verse and the pre-chorus is played in the same way, this plucking system that I showed you in the intro here. And the chorus is just played straightforward with a strumming pattern up and down when you play the chords. So I'm gonna show you this plucking system that we use in this song. And we're gonna illustrate it with the verse chords, which is the E minor to A, and back to E and A, and alternating like this. So you're playing, when you hold the E minor chord, you are playing with your thumb on the bass string, in this case the E string here, and you're answering with the bottom 3 strings here, the E, B and G string. So, and that's the pattern you use when you use this system, when you play the verse and the pre-chorus. And the rhythm is bass and top, if we can call them top strings down there. So bass, top, bass, top. And when you alternate to the A, you play bass, top, bass, top, top. And if we play it in slow motion, you will see how I'll play it, you will understand. So I'll play it a little bit slower here. One more time. So, bass, top, bass, top, bass, top, bass, top, top. And in the standard tempo it sounds like this. And notice that I sometimes, when I have this, when I lean on the strings, I give them a small clap, so you get this rhythm going on. Like if you will watch my right hand here, you will see when I use a clap. So I play it for you, and you can see it. Yeah, so that is about the technique we're playing. So in the verse, we are just alternating like we have done now, from E minor to A, and back to E minor to A. Then in the pre-chorus, we play in the same way, and we alternate from E minor to A. One more time. comes the chorus. So D, then we come to the chorus, and here it's just a standard strumming pattern with chords, and the chords here are G to A to D to G. And one more time, G, A, D, G. And then comes E minor, A, D, and G, and then G, A, and then we're back to the verse again. And how do we play this chorus with the strumming pattern? If I just, we can use the G chord since this is the first chord in the chorus. Sounds like this, and it's down, down, up, down, up. So in a slower tempo it sounds like this. And so on and so on. So I think this is the whole song. You can do it in different ways. If you don't like to pluck in the verse and the pre-chorus, you can use also the standard standard way of strumming the chords. But I prefer the plucking here since it's more effectful in this song. So I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe if you like it, or thumbs up, and as always, play tuned.